So if a credit card company said they need more information, they need to contact you, then they need more information, they need to contact you. That means they probably just need to contact you to verify your identity. Like I just applied for the GM rewards card. I just applied for that one because I just wanted it. I wanted a higher limit credit card. My credit reports, I talk to you guys about it all the time. I'm like, let me go ahead and get it. Let me see how it is. And with that one, they told me the same thing. And I'm like, what? But not only did they tell me they need to contact me, they told me that they need to see like my identification. So I had to scan my passport and send it in to them because they want to verify my identity. I could have used my ID, but I used my passport. And then after that, they said somebody gonna contact me. When the lady contacted me, she said, "Hey, is this Rickita? Yeah, this is Rickita. Did you apply for this card? Yeah, I applied for it. Okay, check your email. I'll send. We're gonna send you the details on how much you're approved for. Once you're accepted, it's yours." So it was as simple as that. They just needed to verify me. That's it. I also applied for another Chase card. And with that Chase card, again, they needed to verify me. The man called me. Hey, did you apply for it? Okay, good. Can I send you a text message? They sent me a text message. And then that was it. He said, hey, you're approved for this amount. You're going to get your information in the mail. So sometimes when they say that they need more information, they will get back to you. That just means that they need more information. Sometimes they're going to get back to you. Or sometimes they're going to say they can't just approve you. So understand that it is definitely a difference when they say that.